against the peeling wall, a cold reminder that the shadows fall. I reached for the rhythm that I used to know, the morning chorus, the rising glow. But the maple tree is a skeleton today, and the feathered choir has gone away. I checked the clock, I checked the pain, but there's no music to wash the stain. I used to curse them for the sleep they broke, the frantic keys and the words they spoke. But now the air is a heavy shroud, and the quiet here is getting loud. The sky is open, a hollow blue, but it doesn't sing the way it used to do. They've packed their songs and they've taken flight, and left me standing in the aftermath of light. And oh, the silence of the morning birds, it says the things I can't find in words. The melody has died within the tree, and this is the life that's left for me. No more warnings, no more calls, just the sound of the dust as it hits the halls. The soundtrack is finished, the record is thin. This is where the quiet begins. I made my coffee, I sat by the glass, waiting for the ghosts of the day to pass. I realized then, with the heavy head, that the world isn't sleeping, it's just gone dead. It isn't a secret, it isn't a trick. The pulse of the morning has lost its tick, and I accept the ghost, I accept the toll of this hollowed out rhythm inside my soul. And oh, the silence of the morning birds, it says the things I can't find in words. The melody has died within the tree, and this is the life that's left for me. No more warnings, no more calls, just the sound of the dust as it hits the halls. The soundtrack is finished, the record is thin. This is where the quiet begins. Lost the part that sounded like you. And oh, the silence of the morning birds, it says the things I can't find in words. The melody has died within the tree, and this is the life that's left for me. No more warnings, no more calls, just the sound of the dust as it hits the halls. The soundtrack is finished, the record is thin. Yeah, this is where the quiet begins. It's so quiet now,